Hi, my dear students. In this video, we are going to see 8th NCERT Social, Chapter 5 History, When People Rebel 1857 and After. What is meant by rebel? Rebel means against authority. Right. What we are going to study in this chapter? About the revolt of 1857, the great revolt of 1857. This is the first big national movement against the British from India. And in previous chapters, we gone through about how EAC changed the people's life, like kings, queens, peasants, landlords, tribals, soldiers, in different ways. In this chapter, we are going to see how it has affected this Nawabs, how they lose their power, what happened after revolt of 1857, why the revolt of 1857 happened, and aftermath of revolt of 1857. These are the things we are going to see in this chapter. How did Nawabs lose their power after EAC entered India? Yes, completely they lost their administrative power. And the residents, who are called as residents, the people belongs to different country but having rights to stay in this country. For example, the people belongs to British. They belongs to British. But they are staying in India. They are having rights to stay in India. They are called as residents. They started to stay in India and they have started to interfere in all the matters of Nawabs and Rajas, whom to be ruled next, whom to be win the war. Like that they have started to decide many things. And so that the Nawabs and Rajas, they have put many negotiations. Negotiations means what they want to do, what they want. Like that they have put negotiations to this EAC company. For example, Rani Lakshmi Bai, she was the queen of Jhansi. She recognized that his adopted son want to be the heir after his kingdom, after his husband. And also this Nana Sahib, he was the adopted son of Peshwa. He want pension after his father's death. But this EAC didn't take anything into account. They neglected everything. They neglected all the negotiations of Nawabs. And now they want to remove that Mughal emperor, complete Indian rulers out of India. They don't want to have such name. So what they did means, they started to take the names out of the coins, the Mughal emperor's names. Then Mughal emperor's names were minted in the coins. So they started to take the names of Mughal emperors, and they don't want any more Indian rulers. They only want British rulers in India, the CEAC company. The Peasants and Sepoys, they have lose their lands. They have given loans. They have under the control of planters and money lenders, traders, everyone. So they can't earn anything. They were in a terrible famine. And also many people went to this army, to Indian Sepoy. And what happened means, they have they don't have the power to even don't have the power to live. And this Indian Sepoys, those who went to Sepoy army, they asked to went overseas out of our country. But the peoples are they are having a religion fact that they should not travel overseas. So they neglected that. So the Sepoy army, they have a strict warning, and they have included that the person who can cross overseas only can join Sepoy army. Like that they have included a policy, and everyone started to went to overseas. But there also they didn't get any, they need to work out of their religions. So they are also in not in a position to lead a good life. So both peasants, Jamindars, Sepoys, everyone are affected due to this EAC company. Here comes the great revolt of 1857. Why it was happens? Against authority. It was against Kilachi. It was against authority. The revolt of 1857. The other name for this revolt is Sepoy Mutiny or Great Rebellion. And what is the reason beyond this movement? Because they have introduced one Enfield rifle. I will explain about this in the next slide. Due to usage of this Enfield rifle only, this movement has been started. And this was the first big large movement started by Indians against this British. And What happened? What is this Enfield rifle? Actually, if we are using this is a type of gun. They want to load a cartridge inside that gun. Then only the gun will work. So that cartridge, they want to keep, the sepoys, the soldiers want to keep that cartridge in the mouth. See, listen to me in this picture. The sepoys need to keep that cartridge in the mouth, and they want to pull that cartridge mouth, and they want to pour that into the powder into that gun, and they want to stuff it well inside the gun. Then only they can use this. What is the problem for sepoys in using this? Because the cartridge mouth, where the soldiers want to keep the cartridge in the mouth, that cartridge is made up of completely cow or pig fat. It is made up of cow fat or pig fat. The soldiers want to keep that cartridge in their mouth, and they want to pull that. So that place is made up of cow or pig fat. So that is apart from their religion sentiments. Both Muslims and Hindus cannot do this, because the cow and pig, they won't eat this. It is apart from their religion. So they were against this usage of Enfield rifle. All the soldiers of Hindu and Muslim Indian soldiers, they were against this usage of Enfield rifle, because that usage of cartridge in that. So they were all against this. And the young soldier named Mangal Pandey, he was in the same Sepoy army. He was an Indian soldier. He worked in Sepoy army. He was against this usage of Enfield rifle, and he attacked many British officials, those who pressurized to use this Enfield rifle. And he was due to this, the Mangal Pandey, he was hanged. It happened in 8th April 1857. 29th March 1857. It was given in the book. He was hanged. Mangal Pandey was hanged. So many soldiers was against this Enfield rifle usage. Right. So many soldiers, they said that on 9th May 1857, they said that we won't use this Enfield rifle. It is against our religion. Like that they conveyed. So many sepoys were arrested, and they were prisoned in the Meerut jail. So the companions means who are working with them. The sepoy companions who are working with them, they have started to release all the working co-workers of the sepoys who were present in Meerut, and they killed. So that many British officials were against this, so they were killed this, and they have captured the guns of British peoples and the gunpowders, everything they have captured, and they have started to walk from Meerut to Delhi on 10th May night 1857. At night time they started to go by walk from Meerut to Delhi, and they have reached Delhi garrison. There also some British officials came to attack them. They killed that British officials, and finally they went to that Red Fort. They meet Bahadur Jan Jafar and they want Bahadur Jan Jafar as the Emperor of India. They don't want any more about this British. They don't have any idea to keep this British inside the India. They want to send them out, and they want to make Bahadur Jan Jafar as the Emperor of India, and he was the last Mughal ruler. And Jafar he didn't accept this first, but everyone forced him to accept this. So he unwillingly blessed all the rebels, and he started to write letters to all the Mughal rulers in all the parts of India. So everyone came to fight against this British peoples due to usage of this Enfield rifle. The rebellion starts to spread all over India, regiment after regiment, that is thousands of soldiers. They started to attack this British peoples in Delhi, in Kanpur, and the Nana Sahib, he was the adopted son of Peshwa. He also lived near Kanpur. He gathered many armed forces and expelled the British garrison, and also many Indian soldiers, they started to attack British peoples. Many lady soldiers also, they have attacked against the British. For example, Behum, she also attacked against this British, and Rani Lakshmi Bai, she joined the rebels, and she started to fight against the British. And Tania Top, he also fight against the British peoples by gathering many Indian armies, and many peoples, Avanti Bai, many Indian soldiers, they started to attack this British peoples against this usage of Enfield rifle. And this rebel, rebel, it makes British to get fear. This rebellion spread all over India, so the British got fear, EAC got fear about this Indians, why they got this much rebel against us, like that they got fear. And many new leaders like Ahmadullah, they have joined this rebel, and they also supported Indian peoples to fight against British. In Delhi also, large number of gases, they also started to fight against peoples, and they started to wipe out all the British peoples out of India, out of Delhi first. The company, it started to gets back, it started to fights back. How means they have collected, they have make many peoples, many soldiers from England to arrive India, and they have started to fight against this Indian peoples. They have passed many laws, and they have arrested many peoples, and they have recaptured the Delhi first. First they have recaptured the Delhi, and one by one places they have recaptured again. And they have started to arrested many Indian leaders who fight against this rebel, like Tanya Tope, Avanti Bai, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Everyone was defeated and killed. Due to this, many Indian soldiers, Indian leaders, many peoples were killed due to this revolt of 1857. And also the company arrested many sepoys, many peoples who may be the reason of this revolt of 1857. They have hanged many peoples, and they have arrested and imprisoned many peoples. In 1859, British regained the control of the country by the end of 1859, and they have regained all the powers, and now they have taken many steps. Aftermath means after effects. After the effect of revolt of 1857, they have implemented many policies, many effects. The first one is they have changed all the powers of EAC to Crown. They have appointed a new Governor General, and they have changed all the powers from EAC to this Crown. And the second thing they have did was they have promised all the chiefs, all the Rajas and Jamindars, that they won't conquer any more places again. But they will appoint one queen, Savarian, in each places. Everyone need to hear their words, and they need to lead their country, lead their state. Like that they have introduced the policies. And third one, they thought that many Indian soldiers, due to this usage of Enfield rifle only, this revolt of 1857 happened. So they have taken many Indian soldiers out of the Sepoy army. Instead of that, they have appointed many European soldiers in the place of Indian soldiers. And fourth one, they thought that everything, this revolt of 1857 happened only due to Muslim peoples. So they have taken the lands of Muslim peoples out of them. And fifth one, they decided to give respect to all the customized religions and social practice in India. Because due to this religion only, they have not accepted to keep that cartridge in the mouth, no. So now British decided to give respect to all the religion and social practice of India. And sixth, they have protected all the landlords and jamindars over the right to their land. That the new phase of history begins after 1857. The British controlled India in different ways due to this 1857. That the Mughal Emperor, the end of Mughal Emperor happened after 1857. Bahadur Jan Zafar, he was sent to the Rangoon jail, and his son, they were sent out of the Red Fort, completely everything taken under the control of EAC. So the rebellion has been stopped, and every control has been changed from EAC to British. This is how the effects and what happened after revolt of 1857. This is an important national movement in India against British. This was about chapter 5. Thank you, dears.